Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your current App Store country and signing into Settings Apple ID so you can change it. Once done, back up your device and remove any active subscriptions or family members that block country changes, because the system requires a clear billing state. Make sure you have a valid European payment method ready or select None temporarily. This avoids rejections. You'll also need a local address for the target country to complete the switch. Now proceed to Settings Media and Purchases and tap View Account, then choose Country/Region and pick the European country you want. You must enter a valid local address and an acceptable payment method for that country or choose None if supported. This is why you prepared earlier. Once you enter details, review and accept the updated terms and conditions. These change taxes and availability. Wait while the account updates. App availability and pricing. Finish by opening the App Store to verify regional apps and prices. Download a free local app to confirm the change. Once satisfied, re-enable or resubscribe to services using your new billing details. If billing or verification fails, make sure your payment matches the country and try again, because mismatched info is the most common issue. If problems persist, sign out of the App Store and Apple ID. Then sign back in or wait up to 24 hours before retrying. Contacting support is the last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.